All of you, welcome back once again. So let me tell you what I have done for all of you guys so you can easily able to navigate through all the project if you are absolute beginner, because I was getting this question from many of you guys that Daulat, please make the project available in one particular place so we can easily able to navigate and we can start following the complete project. So what I have done for all of you guys, I have transferred a few of the project from Daulat Hussain YouTube channel to our official the Blockchain Coder YouTube channel. There you will find all the project which you can start building straight away, and you will have the entire project in one compiled format which you can easily to navigate, and you don't need to go through the playlist. So I have transferred a few of the project from the Daulat Hussain YouTube channel to our official, which you can able to navigate very easily. So I would give you the link of this particular channel in the description, in the comment section, so you can simply click and you can able to come back here, and here you will find all the project we have developed with all the update. So recently we have launched the Blockchain Coder YouTube channel, and there you will find all of this. So this will help you a lot to navigate through the project, and in which you will find all the updates. So many of you guys were asking me that Daulat, please bring some update where we can easily able to navigate through the project which you have developed. So this is the one initiative we have taken as a team. We have tried to separate the main project which is belong to the Blockchain Coder and the project which I have on my YouTube channel, so you can easily able to navigate. So here you will find the complete project and the list. So if you want to build the complete ChatGPT clone, you can go with that. After building that, if you want to launch your own token staking, that where you can allow user to stake the token and earn the reward, then you can follow this project. It is more than 8 hours long project which you can simply follow from start to end without having any interruption and going through different playlists. Then we have the Solana token creator. You can also follow that. You can also find the most advanced project we have for related to the ERC token creator, which you can able to follow. You can also find that how you can build your own liquidity marketplace where you can able to allow user to create liquidity on the exchange. So this is one we have. We also have a real estate project which has all the updates. So it's a close to like 10 hours long project which you can able to follow, and here you will find the other project. So we have the token staking DApp, we have the ICO launchpad, we have the DeFi exchange, we have the airdrop platform, we have the crypto exchange. Then you will find all of this. We have the Solana to NFT marketplace, we have the Solana NFT creator, Solana Explorer, Solana airdrop platform, token ICO pre-sale we have. So make sure to follow all of this. Like, you will find the complete project on this particular channel, so you don't need to go to different playlist and simply watch one video then go to the next one. I have compiled the entire video into one video, so you can easily able to start and you can finish in one go, and you don't need to switch to different places. So that's what I have done, and that's the one thing I want to highlight here. So make sure to follow this complete project. You will master every single thing, all the important project which you have to build and add in your resume if you really want to become a blockchain developer. Just go through this. Once you will complete this project, you will automatically have the understanding that what exactly you have to build. So if you really want to understand that how AI and blockchain work, just go with the ChatGPT, that how you can build on a decentralized ecosystem. If you want to understand about the cryptocurrency, how DeFi, ICO work, start building token staking DApp. It's a 9-hour. If you want to focus on real estate, build this 10 hours long project. If you want to focus on the ERC token creator, how it will be created, then go with this particular project. We have the liquidity marketplace. I must tell you to come back here. I'll give the link in the description, so you can simply follow, download the starter file and start following straight away. All of this project are more than 8 hours, 7 hours, 10 hours, and some of the project we have over 10. So you can simply follow it. So start building. So this is the one quick update I want to give you all, that I have compiled all the video into one central location which belong to the Blockchain Coder, and you can simply execute and start following it. So I hope now you can able to follow the project very easily without having any interruptions. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section and the project which you have worked and which project you're going to build first. And if you have any question, any doubt, do let me know in the email, in the official email. For getting quick response, we'll try to help you and provide you all the details around it. So that's the quick update I want to give it. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to do that. We're trying to grow this channel as well. And if you're watching me for the very first time, you can come back here, go back to the Daulat Hussain YouTube channel. There you will find all the latest project we have developed, which you can have a look, and what are the models we are including. That one is the most important thing. Check the model, check the architecture, check the project, and just simply go through that. So that's the quick update I want to give you all. Just let me know which project you guys are building, and make sure to subscribe. That will give me the boost to upload more video on the channel. So that's the only thing from my end. If you have any question, any doubt, let me in the comment section. I'll definitely try to help in that. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.